जानेवारी आणि फेब्रुवारी महिन्याच्या पहिल्या सप्तका मेरेनची आंकडेवारीत अपघाती मरण आयिल्ल्यांचें प्रमाण 23% परस चड आशिल्ल्याचें दिसून आयलां। येरादारी नेम मोडपी चालकांचेर कारवाय करपाची मोहीम येरादारी पुलिसांनी सुरू केल्या। हेल्मेट घालिनासतना गाडी चलोवप, सोरो पियेवन गाडी चलोवप, चड गतीन गाडी चलोवप हाचेर खर कारवाय करपाचे आदेश पुलीस अधिकाऱ्यांक दिल्ल्याची माहिती पुलीस महासंचालक जसपाल सिंग हांणी दिली। उपरांत वाहन चालकां मदीं लोक जागृताय करतले अशेंय तांणी ह्या वेळार कळयलें।
Particularly those areas where the accident rate is very high, and accordingly we formulated strategies how we can prevent the occurrence of accidents, and primarily the officers were briefed that strict enforcement of motor vehicle acts, particularly those sections of the motor vehicle act such as overspeeding, drunken driving, riding without helmet, and without those who drive without seat belt, they need to be prosecuted. But at the same time, there is a urgent need to create awareness among the motorists and the riders that they should follow the traffic rules, because considering the population of the state, accident rate is quite high, and particularly in the month of January 23 and first fortnight of February, there were a few accidents which could have been prevented by strict enforcement. So we jointly decided that for next few months strict drive will be launched against overspeeding, drunken driving and helmet rule.